د امریکا د ملي امنیت شورا ویان جان کربي وایي دوی په افغانستان کې وسلې نه دي پریښي بلکې سپارلې دي لکه همدا اوس چې یوکراین ته یې سپاري. ښاغلي کربي په دې خبرو د جمهوریت غوښتونکو او ټرمپ هغه ادعا رد کړې ده چې ګواکې بایډن له افغانستانه په وتو طالبانو ته زیاتې وسلې پرېښودي.
You turn it over. It's just like what we're doing in Ukraine. We give Ukraine artillery ammunition, Stinger anti-air missiles, Javelin anti-tank. It's their stuff at that point, not the Americans. It's their stuff. That stuff belonged to the Afghans. And so this idea, this argument is just ludicrous that we left millions of dollars of stuff in Afghanistan. We didn't. We turned it over, as the previous administration would have done too, because part of their thinking was they were going to have to turn this material over. It was turned over appropriately and carefully and deliberately with the Afghan National Security Defense Force.
د نورو خبرونو د اپډیټ لپاره زموږ یوټیوب چینل در سره سبسکرایب کړئ.